You can't puke on the sheets.
If I die,
I can't get in.
You can.
Fucking
how long do we have to stay inside?
Only a couple of seconds.
an hour.
Go on, Tim's in. Tim's
I
in.
can't get in. I
I
can't.
Bend your
can't
body.
even get it fucking in.
I used to be able to get in them.
Sean's in. Come on, Tim, you gotta get in.
Yeah, but he's not in properly.
Well, shove him in then.
Am I gonna die?
No, you'll be fine.
No.
No,
Gotta get in.
no.
You'll be
the,
fine.
The
Put your
door
head
comes open anyway. It's only 2 splementals you have to do. Right. Everyone say hello to Sean.
in. Bye, Sean.
Bye,
I
Sean.
really loved working with you.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Tell me when you're ready. No, we're not going to start it until you're ready. Just hold yourself onto everything.
Oh, sure. Turn it.
Oh, hang on, hang on. Is that enough? Is that enough, or do you want some more? Do you want another go? It's your last chance, though. Do you want to get him a proper shot?
10 seconds.
10
10
seconds.
seconds, yeah? Watch me. I'll count. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! 4. He's a leprechaun.
What the fuck?